So now I'm going to go over how to batch import objects. As the name suggests, batch importing is ingesting one or more objects at the same time with or without associated metadata. If you are adding metadata, it should be an XML file which follows the Connecticut Digital Archive Mods guidelines, which could be found on the website. However, I will not be adding any associated metadata. So first, you go to the collection to which you would like to batch import the objects to. As you can now see, I'm currently in my collection. Now I'm going to click on the Manage tab. I will then click on Collection, and then I will click on Batch Import Objects. For Importer, I'm going to click on the drop-down and select Zip File Importer, and I will then click on Next. Here's where you choose the zip file that you would like to batch import. Keep in mind that for batch importing, you could only use zip files. Here you could choose the content model that you would like to apply to your files. My zip file includes JPEGs, so I'm going to choose Basic Image Content Model. And then you choose the object namespace, which is the namespace of your institution. I will then click on Import. Keep in mind this may take a few minutes, so please be patient and just allow everything to load. So if successful, you should now come to a page that says processing is complete. So if I navigate back to my collection, my batch imported objects should now appear. So here's the first image, here's the second, and the third. However, as you can see, as I did not add any associated metadata, the name of the object is the file name. This could be changed by updating the mods form. So to do that, I'm going to click on the object, I'm going to click on the Manage tab, and then I'm going to click on Data Streams. You should see a field for the mods data stream. So if you go over to the right and click on Edit, you should now be on the mods form for the object. So here you can change the title information, and you can enter any metadata that applies to the object. So I'm only going to fill out the required fields. And then once you have entered metadata for the object, you can go ahead and click on Update. As you can now see, the title of the object has been changed. Now you can go ahead and update the other batch imported objects as well. So that is how you batch import and then update the mods form.